my channel, Air Fryer Recipes 101. My main channel is the Baking Diva, but I loved air frying so much that I decided to make myself a second channel and just put my air fryer recipes on it. I called my channel Air Fryer Recipes 101 because they're all so simple and easy to make. Whether you're an experienced air fryer or just a beginner, you're going to enjoy this. So today is going to be a quickie. This is something I purchased. Great for brunch, breakfast, or lunch. And it's a Trader Joe's item. So these are Trader Joe's Egg Frittatas. And I'll put a close-up in for you. These you get 2 in a package, and they are basically made with egg, Swiss cheese, and cauliflower. And I'll also put the picture of the nutritional facts in there for you. Serving size is 2 frittatas, and it's 270 calories for the both of them. And what I liked about it is the total carbs for the both are only 10 grams. And then when you subtract your dietary fiber and all, it's only about 9 grams of carbs. So on the directions, it does tell you that you can microwave these. You can either bake them in a conventional oven at 325 for 15 minutes, or you can microwave them. Well, I'm going to show you a better way to do it. So first of all, let's open these. Okay, this is how they come. 2 in a package, just like this. So I am going to open them up. Now, what I find makes them come out the best is get yourself a microwave plate and put both of them on there. They should fit on here perfectly. There you go. Now I'm going to swing over to my microwave, and I'm going to microwave these for only 1 minute. So stay tuned and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Because these come frozen and they're not expensive, I'm giving them a little head start to warm up in the microwave. So you microwave them for 1 minute. Now, I'm going to take my air fryer. Let me remove the basket here. And I'm going to put them in the air fryer. And I'm going to air fry them for about 2 minutes. This way they come out a little crunchy on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. These are great to eat alone for breakfast. You can make a sandwich out of them. They're really delicious, and I think because of the carbs in them, they're probably keto friendly too. So let me put my air fryer on. Put it on air fry. I'm going to leave it on the 390. And I'm just going to put it on here for 2 minutes. Now, if you were to make these in just the microwave and not use an air fryer, you would put them in the microwave for, let me see, for the 2 of them, you would heat them in the microwave for 2 to 2.5 minutes, and then you let them rest for a minute before you serve them. We're going to switch it up a little and see how these come out. So let me turn it on. We'll check them in 2 minutes, and then we'll do a taste testing. But if you haven't already subscribed to my Air Fryer Recipes 101 or my Baking Diva channel, smash that subscribe because I think you'll enjoy them both, and I'd love to have you. And it helps my channel to grow. So let me put this on. All right. And we'll check it in 2 minutes and see how these came out. Hopefully you have a Trader Joe's by you. I know some people don't, but I love Trader Joe's. They have fantastic fruits and vegetables in there, and their prices, people think, oh, Trader Joe's must be expensive. It's not. Their prices are very reasonable. They show them on the box, on the back of the box in a sandwich. It looks like they're almost in like a, I don't know, an English muffin. And on the front, they just show them eating them as is. So I'll be back in a minute because I'm dying to taste these. Almost done. Have about 7 more seconds. Alrighty. Let me bring my plate over here and my fork. The basket out. I have a couple of air fryers, but honestly, my Ninja is my favorite one. So let me take these out. Okay. Alrighty. Move that over here. I'll put a picture of them in for you. Okay. Now let me take a little taste. I can see they're a little crunchy on the outside. Well, first of all, I will tell you, I'm going to put them back in for maybe another minute because they are delicious, but I'd like them a little hotter inside. I can taste the Swiss cheese, the egg. I don't really taste too much cauliflower, but that's a good thing, right? So let me just put them back in here for just another minute because I prefer mine to be a little hotter. So it all depends on your air fryer. So here we go, air fry, 390, and I'll just put them on another minute. So I would say, depending on your air fryer, do it for 3 minutes. Okay, we'll try them again. My son's been waiting for me to make these, so after I do a taste testing, I'll call him up and see what he thinks. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Alright, let's give these a try now. Perfect. They're very good. So, if you have a Trader Joe's near you, I would go on over and pick a pack of these up, or maybe 2. They're very good, and they're quick, too. And like I say, if you don't want to use your air fryer, you can just put them in the oven, or you can heat them up in the microwave. But I think you're going to enjoy them. So thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. I'll see you all soon. Love you. Toodles!